Let me a piece of that one and my day will come because we are
See
away.
the struggle where you're facing a life. See the fire inside of your life. No care who I criticize and chastise. It no matter to I. Me nah lose, me I forget mine.
It's about artists in the family, man.
Yeah.
But boy, I'm not clean, I know.
Yeah.
Better than the scene, I know.
Oh.
And every girl want to intervene, I know.
Oh.
Pick up the music.
Yeah, man, straight,
I mean,
man.
say me bun weed, until me bun up my sweatsuit. I look at it, my sweatsuit, and not the best suit. Walk me to the next with me damn vest suit. With me Burberry white and me damn suit. Me bun weed, me fight could have never turn out. I 20 bag of weed, me just got burn.
No, sir. Yeah, ninja. So, guys, I just want to thank CMBS, Solution Group for sending this donation to Elport and Cranberry family, for them to get some stuff for her to stock out the stall and also get food. Share fees. Yeah, so counted says 28,000.
Wow. Thank you.
CMBS Solution Group from Florida.
Thank you so much. And you will come back. Kimona come back here because she say I'ma do it. And I thank you guys for everything that you have done.
Me don't know what them a pre about. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Pas de soleil,
Well, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know it goes already, so this is how I'm gonna start off my day. The thing goes with the food after in your belly. As you may, so I'm here at Living Food. The thing got Living Food, they make sure so everything is right. Your belly is right, everything is right. Here at Living Food. Bro. One.
Nice slice of spirulina cake.
Well, get back the energy, right? Can't tell when you have all the energy foods in here.
Maybe the mountain work, so.
Oh, in the mountains, getting even fitter.
Well, if I work up there, soon
Fitter.
everybody can come with a detox in the mountain.
Yeah? Where is the river up there too?
Yeah, man, river spring, we bought the hot water, the mineral spring.
St. Thomas, right? So far you are from the spring?
Not far, probably 5 minutes as the properties join each other.
Okay. Right next to Bard Fountain. Whoa. So boy, just tell me one time, it's my time to come through.
Of course,
The
definitely.
invite.
You're coming.
Of course, I can't wait. I'm here for the Kino special, and a bit of burger. Yeah. I'm here for the Kino special, guys. Remember, come and try the Kino special. Come here the other day with them say just left.
Oh.
Them say just left. Yeah. one Kino burger.
Which one you want again? This burger.
One with turmeric bun.
Yeah, but they just put up here because I'm in the time when you come the last time.
Yeah.
That's because the rain and lots of work going on in the home.
Okay. Not the high protein one, the next one.
The jerk?
Yeah.
The burger, you know?
Oh yeah, the burger. I think that a jerk one, right?
Yeah, another one jerk. Which one is that, turmeric?
Yeah, turmeric.
Turmeric one. I have one, right?
Yeah, yeah. The dragon.
But I'm doing smoothie.
Oh yeah, but they tried already. That's how the berries them. That's how the berries them. But the Kino smoothie, I like it. Look up the oats so it's nice, you know.
Never buy this one. Did you want to do that?
No, you put avocado as well. Why they can't find it? Well, guys, you know the thing was already have to get the healthy thing, you know, keeping me healthy all the way.
My sister in church, no, I know what she was doing.
Oh, your sister in church? So I'm gonna try the thing go. So the last time someone said,
That's one nice one, but the recipe there on the menu.
huh?
The recipe this here somewhere because there's on the menu.
Oh. Alright then. Take it.
That's one nice one. The rest is the same food.
Alright then. Nothing no wrong. So welcome guys. I'm gonna say stay tuned, stay healthy, eat healthy. You know I'm always promoting the good stuff then, the healthy place. You know, so I don't only eat at one place, you know me. Try other place where the health is wealth, you know. So keep mixing it up. I keep doing that, keep mixing it up, keep trying stuff, you know. So it's all healthy stuff guys. So this place called Living Food is in Lane Plaza, you know. Lane Plaza. Most of you know Lane Plaza road on Carlson Spring. I think it's off Carlson Spring Road, right? Yeah. Lane Plaza, so you should check it out. Also you can check it out on Instagram as well too. You know, Living Food. Living, not dying. So the food make you live, not dead. Big super special one. Wow. Yeah. so I'm going to get the super special one. Well, super. So it's good to be special. So when you do food, you get special treatment. Exactly. So you get good treatments. You know, so you do good, you get good treatment. So yes, so continue to do good in your life, and God will definitely come back at you. No bad that everything you do should be good all the time. 24/7. That's how it goes. But yeah man, do good all the time guys. Good. Yes. So guys, different style today. I'm getting in a glass jar with nuts. So walnuts for the brain. I told you need stuff for the brain. So I got walnuts for the brain. So I'm making a different style today. Okay. Well, it's almost done already.
How it tastes?
It tastes nice. I almost done. I'm gonna get my burger yet. Oh, I'm talk. This almost finished already, I swear. Almost finished already.
So they come like your special meal because you get 2 patties and like double Whopper.
That double whopper this me get guys though. You should have want to go on. See that double whopper? Everything double up, triple up.
Tell them don't come expect to get that.
Yeah, listen, don't come.
Super special. So
Yeah. So don't come expect to get this treatment, you know I think where once you're a regular you will get the treatment, yes? I'm gonna come show your face now and then, but look at this today. Today I'm extra special.
Oh, when you go to the gas station, they ask if you should top up, so let's top up.
What? I'll top up when I get to it. No, stop. Here things are going today. I'm getting topping up.
So the wristers in there. Yeah, this burger have more company.
Yes, yes.
Alright, give time.
Thank you so much. So guys, I've been top right up. Burger double up. The juice double up. Everything double up. I am well double up today. No stop. Well, look after for today, but not lying. I cannot complain. Today is that day. So see there. So watch what I go on. And this I go on. And this I go on. Wait, my mouth can't hold in this.
Hold on, what? Let me see the camera is a video.
Right. It have a teeth already.
That's alright.
It have a teeth.
Oh, this is good.
Today,
Oh, my phone, what is up?
I thought it. I stood up with double up, triple up. What you say?
You know, to see the thing happened to me, and I wonder why it looks so.
Oh,
Oh, mercy.
all mercy. We have burger all the time.
Just
So.
look at that.
Right now. So today we are living foods. So remember them say you have to living right. Come on, living foods. They eat right and feel right. So I already sunk my teeth in this already. We know it goes already. So this is a special keynote treatment.
Of course.
You know, so when you come here regularly, it could become special.
So don't come and expect to get a double up unless
No.
you want to order double up.
Shit.
Kino did his juice, so we have to treat him special when
Yes.
he's forward, right?
So I thank them so much for the special treatment.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Your health is your wealth.
Of course, at living food.
Yes.
So live right at living food.
Alright,
So
good
eat
times,
right.
Tina, bless.
Oh, see that?
But tonight, see your more can ever come on the one. Oh my gosh. That's the fun I love about the burger. Just make up people and say, oh my god, how do we
Yeah,
make
tell
this
them.
now?
My mouth can't cover the burger at time. I'm eating a jerk burger. Black beans.
Can you think that?
Yeah.
That one is the
It's called packetry. It's called Asmo packetry.
Oh, the Osmo, that one? Oh, okay.
The Asmo.
I know me to start using.
I know.
I know, we need to start like
We need to, guys. So after the meals, like I couldn't move, you know, so I have to fight it. That double whopper, hey, jerk burger, take a toll, and plus the smoothie, special treatment me get today. So boy, I feel some special type of way right now. We're going on some editing, you know.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alive.
So thank you so much, yeah, Carrie.
Anytime. Bless up yourself.
So Carrie, so give them a contact number again for Living Foods.
876-857-7887. And remember, we do from detoxes to full meals, everything. Just link with you. We know what we do, because we want you to stay in tune.
Yes.
Blessed love.
Yes, guys. So just give the number a call, you know, and come give them a check. If you're here in and around the town, coming from overseas, just come give them a check. You know it goes already. Health is your wealth. Come live healthy at Living Foods. All right, Kerry. Take care. This, yeah, man. All right, yeah, man. All right. Yes, guys. I'm so full right now. I'm not lying. Full to my overflow, so I'm gonna head on, you know. So I plan to do 1 and 2 runs. The place is gonna rain, as you can see. It is going to rain like hell right now. You know, so this is my morning routine. You know, get something healthy in my system and then take on the road as usual. So why this one I just eat, it hold me like oh. Collect no one, nothing else to eat. I'm not even lying, so just take on the road. Well, guys. So this is the next day. I don't know. Today is the day I'm gonna get my vehicle service. You know, I have to get my car service. So welcome to King of Life in Jamaica. Welcome. Good morning. So I'm here in Portmore. You know, my mechanic lives in Portmore. You know, so I'm in Portmore right now. I'm at the mall. So I'm gonna have something not so healthy, but it's okay to eat. I'm gonna have myself a mother's patty and a cocoa bread for the time being, you know. So let me see what I go on here. So I'm at the mall, so let me find out what's this for and thing.
Wait, yes, right.
I almost get this. Okay, I a while ago.
Give the girl when I drive over.
Oh, Gary.
Yes, I can say at the time of
Okay.
like 2 hours or so.
Oh, we forget to stamp inside or something?
Wait, yes, right.
Alright. Yeah, guys. So so you know, over here in the car park where mothers use them have some tickets. Literally when you're going driving. So you know, just like in Tree as well, they give you tickets. And whatever store you're going to, you let them stamp it. But this one is not so like that, you know. So this is the mall over there. You have Captain Bakery over there, you know. So this is a small mall. So this is the ticket that they give me, but it seems like it's already stamped. So basically, I have to just show them when I'm coming out and the exit. You know, so I'm going to head to Mothers. Wow, Mothers have a line. So here is Mothers. Okay. So I'm inside Mothers now. There's a little bit of line. Guys, sad news. They got no side party, no Kalaloo party. So they have nothing for me at all. Nothing. So, sure. Let me just head on my journey, man. I will definitely get something on the way, but none at all. So early in the morning, no Kalaloo or no side. So early in the morning. What kind of thing is this? Eh? Ah, big up. Big up yourself, yeah? Ah, cool, huh? Yes, guys. So we always have to big up our subscribers, because whenever them see us, we have to really give thanks and appreciate. So that is it, man. It's just the way of life. So bless the love. So guys, so I'm gonna try and get something else because I don't get nothing at all right here. Nothing. Well, guys, well. So I'm here, in the bush. Pure bush behind me. I can see the vehicle. I can see the mechanic. He's getting the car service. And not the first time you see his face. The thing goes already. So I'm saying, if you don't want to get the car get service, you can always check Louis. See me himself. Louis. Give them a contact detail if they want to get them service.
506-8407. Hear it again. 506-8407.
So tell them what you do when you come on to cars.
We do everything from rebuilding back engine, you name it. But the servicing, we go right through. We check from light, shocks, service a brake system, everything. You understand?
Everything. So you get car, they can move to the location as well.
Yep.
So right now you're located in
Portmore, Westchester.
Yes, guys. So he's located in Portmore, Westchester. It's not the first I see him working on my vehicle. He's the only one I make go in my vehicle do any type of service or anything at all on my vehicle. Because I'm say he's good at what he does. He also used to work on ship engine as well too. Yeah, this man used to fix ship engines. Helicopter too. No helicopter yet. But he also fixed ship engine also. So just imagine that. Say it's a good look. Trustworthy. Works well on your vehicle. I'm saying you can also call him and will be at your service anywhere you are. Take the number down. You see the number is there. If you broke down and get caught up anywhere at all, he will literally come to you 24 service, no matter what time of the day. Just give him a call and he will be there. So I'm just doing some normal service, get the vehicle, I'll check, everything check, service at the vehicle, so whenever I'm driving I don't have any problems, like having a breakdown anywhere at all. So I do all of them checks already, so I'm here in Westchester in Portmore, right next to the crocodile place. So when you come here, you have to look up a crocodile just in case, so but yes, guys, so I'm saying thank you so much, to get this thing done, because cars like a baby, you have to make sure you service the baby, maintain the baby. If even when the baby is sick, you bring the baby, go to the doctors. So this is where the doctor is. So the doctor ordered it needs to get service. So this is why I'm here, guys. So pick up on yourself and stay tuned. So I'm gonna move shortly after I'm finished. So on the road, as you can see, look at the clouds behind me. It's gonna rain. Hopefully it don't rain, but that's how it's set up, like it's going to rain. Yes, guys. Over here you got pure garages there, garage there, so I'm outside right here getting jacked up. You see most vehicle here, see me getting service, see me getting work on, as you can see, so let's make the phone call. Louis, your phone ringing. Alright, guys, so Westchester here, as you can see in the background, beautiful place. Westchester here in Portmore, and also the mechanic. I'm gonna walk to the shop to get some tie strap, and then now he's finished now. So I'm gonna get some tie strap for him to use, and then I'll be out of here. So I think you probably remember the time I was here last time I get my vehicle service, here in Westchester. Got some nice houses over here, as you can see. Place is very quiet, well, to my understanding, but I don't know what's the real deal over here. See me, the last time I was gonna walk and some kids said, don't go that way, don't go that way. So I never head that way. So not knowing what the place is like. So yes, I'm gonna get some Thai strap, and then now we're gonna head back out of here at Bembo Avenue. Thai strap. Sir, can I get 4 Thai strap, please? How much is it? Alright, so I got the Thai straps now, so that's it for me for the day. And then I'm going to be heading out, getting my vehicle, and then drive out of this place. As usual, guys, the madam house, I wash the windows, wash the windscreen, so. My boy. Pick up yourself, man. Pick up yourself.
Why?
Big up, Wild West, the fully bad. You don't know, we're out in the street, and you don't know,
YouTube.
Nothing, no bad, nobody.
Fully mojo, big up yourself anywhere in the world, you know. No, man.
One done to the world. Big up, fully bad.
Oh, don't do that. Do something for me. You get two of them, man, them boy, them come to me, you know.
Yeah, that's how I would my next time, man. Yeah? Pick up yourself, man.
Big up, you don't know a cleaner, you know, that mad dog, it's a bad artist, you know, from Rima, you know.
Yeah.
But boy, and a cleaner, you know.
Yeah.
Better than the cleaner, you know. And every girl want to intervene, you know. Pick up the music.
Yeah, man, straight,
I mean, say me bun weed until me bun up my sweatsuit. I look at it, my sweatsuit, and not the best suit. Want me to the next with me damn vest suit. With me Burberry white and me damn suit. Me bun weed, me five could have never turn out. A 20 bag of weed, me just got burn. Me touching at the dance and think as fun. Weed me and dance, we smoke me.
Big up yourself, man.
Fully active,
Alright,
you know, it's
brother.
a DJ at a flame.
Alright, at a flames, you hear that, guys? DJ at a flame, guys. See, I literally have to stop and give him something. I know the red light caught me. Imagine I was on green, I know the red light caught me. I couldn't move. Man, literally run down the car already. I say, you know, say, it goes already. I always have to try to bless them whenever I'm here, you know, so. You know, them trying, you know, them doing them honest bread. So sometimes I like to give them something to, you know, no matter what, because them doing them honest work. So you don't know, you have to give thanks for that same way, for them doing them honest work, you know. So they're not rob, they're not thief. They might go and wash the windscreen, you know, and get $1 in them pocket, isn't it? So, you know, it goes already. So, traffic time now. How can it be so much traffic when I want to go eat food? Why not traffic up the place? I want to go eat food. It's moving traffic though. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica, guys. I know I've been jumping, I've been transitioning from one scene to the next scene, to the next year, because that's how this video gonna pen out. So yesterday I was there, the other day I was there before, I know today is a different thing, you know. So today right now I'm in the pavilion in Halfway Tree, you know, so I'm just gonna stop to give my barber something, and then after now I'm gonna carry on. But I'm gonna show you some clippings of the pavilion, what's inside, what it look like, and everything. So I don't know how much you don't see what the pavilion being developed here in Halfway Tree. You know, so guys, so bless it up. Thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Remember, please put the thumbs up. If you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica, remember please to put the thumbs up. So I'm here, you know, in Pavilion. I also have a Burger King, you know, fast food lovers. We have Burger King over there for the fast food lovers. So this is the Pavilion right here in Arthurtree. So let me walk you through the Pavilion, see him where Rastaman do some painting right here. Look up yourself, fireman. Where you say if anybody want to book you, them can book you for the painting.
Painting?
Yeah.
I want to tell us I'm fully booked.
Fully booked?
No deal for myself. A company, I'm fully booked.
YouTube. Yeah. So it don't look like a video. So we say so. Yeah, no. But right now, Rastaman say I'm fully booked. Roast is coming on to Christmas.
Yeah, that's worse.
But you said the bookings can't too much, man. So how quick can you move then? That's the thing, you know. Because you can fully book, but you can just mash off all of the work then within a week.
No, sir. That
No.
can't. I have a boss who prepare work for me every day.
Oh, okay, I
That's
understand.
why I'm telling you, I'm fully booked. I have a boss who do the thing for me every day.
Yes, yes.
Every morning, I rise up.
Yeah.
When I rise up off my moon and say, alright, I go just have a look for the work. I just know
The work is there already.
The boss make sure that happens every time.
Yes. I understand, man. So wait there, so when you got, so you not have your business in the future?
In the future? Well, I can't tell you say the future has it right now.
now, that's true.
Yeah.
The future
So
is...
therefore, right now, I don't see. I don't see me have a branch of doing something differently right now.
Right
I can't
now.
tell you that straight. You just have to go and work yourself, because guess what happens now? Sometimes when you venture out there for yourself, it's struggling. You can't even find where you want to make where two ends meet.
That
When
is...
you have somebody out there where have the head with that something there, yeah, it's a total different cakewalk. You see what I say?
That is true, I understand that. I understand that. It makes sense. You know, but, you know, you still a develop CMA.
Yeah.
So you can have your own CMA, just like how
Might
in...
be the time I'll come and decide, so I'm not work with the company no more, I'm stop work. Then them days, you know, so them boy, people know me. So, I still will get work otherwise.
Yeah. So how many years now you've been doing painting?
Painting?
Yeah.
I want to say just a few years, you know.
Just a few years?
Yeah.
But you learn a lot within a few years then.
Yeah, man, I just think when anything when you have to eat your bread from, you have to make sure
Yeah.
when you go at it, you go at it your best.
Yeah.
You can't go at it when you go at it a person and just say, John, no, you know what I'm saying, you could have do better.
Yes, sure.
I mean, I like it. You know, make that sense.
So it's only painting alone you can do?
Man, from start of the building till it's done, that's where we go.
Construction.
Yeah, from this building start till it's done, the bank start till it's done, the wholesale start till it's done,
Oh.
the supermarket start till it's done, anything you want,
Yeah.
from start to finish we go.
So you're a wealthy man.
You say, well,
Your talent.
in terms of talent,
Your talent, man.
in terms of
Yes.
talent,
Yes, of course.
Jamaica is a place where small people get wealthy so easy, you know.
I thought you.
You have to
You
live
know.
and go foreign.
Yeah.
But you should do this and that in your own country, you stay and get rich.
And the
done.
talent is here, right?
Yeah.
The talent is here.
Yeah, it's kind there.
Well, I don't know, but what you think that can change?
Well, I don't know what to change, you know, because I guess I see big guys, them. Them are a problem, you know. If it even do change, you're not going to see changes.
Yeah,
Changes are going to be big, man. And just like you see them did a fight, say ganja this and ganja that, and then free up ganja now.
Yes.
And a little small man can't plant one square right to it. Because the money where them are charging, the license.
It's too much.
Too much, so a small man out of business. See how
straight away.
so that me I tell you, so if they even set up one system, they say they don't make you better than water. They must attack. Just a
But the time comes, still now can afford for at least to have your own business license.
yeah, afford it, man.
Hey.
This more you highlight, because this is the part, this is the in the world from big stage and
Of course.
big media, you know.
Of course,
You
of
see
course.
politicians, them,
Yeah.
them are work wrong, you know.
Yes,
And the
yes.
people them a put them in wrong. When you go to school and teach a mark in your book X, you'd like that?
No.
Oh, so we have vote wrong, we have vote with X. And a sticky if we have vote with
True.
Right, that's
Yeah.
You put the man in wrong to go do wrong.
Yes. So right.
Wrongs that they put him in,
Yes.
they can't do nothing right.
No, because they have put the X. So once they put the X, that's the wrong thing.
Wrong, you send him in wrong and you send him in go do wrong. If you give him one sticky, you say what?
He's going to do the right thing.
Everything right to get sticky hard all the time. You don't want to see no X.
Yes,
But
true.
everyone of them come get X, in and X out. That X don't mean nothing to them.
No.
But me know I mean something.
Yes. I know, say at the first I was looking at it that way. The first time I was literally.
That's why I say it here, because that me if you on the world stage so then can hear it and see it too.
Yeah.
They can look and see all my face too and know say I miss it so.
Yes.
Voting wrong, no X.
No X. Sticky.
You know, vote all no.
So you hear that guy, so the voting is wrong. You shouldn't put the X beside the person that they're putting in. You should have put the tick. That means he's going to do the right thing. Not the X mean do the wrong thing.
Yeah.
You know, so it's the wrong way around.
We are school, man, and that we get now we book sticky.
Yes.
It's one most get a youth now. And they go and buy Reebok on their shoes, and them like Nike because they say sticky on it.
Yes.
Yeah, so when we are doing the X,
Yeah.
you see them go build one next shoes near Air Max and then put one ticky on it, but the ticky like a double ticky,
Yeah.
and one little cross. Nobody no buy it.
Nobody no buy the true.
Nobody
The
no
true.
want that.
Because that wasn't successful on the market.
Yeah.
Nobody want earmarks. Everybody want Nike.
Nike here, man.
No earmarks.
If on a Nike here, then say Clarks.
Alright.
And you know how Clarks go a bad man shoes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, but look how Clarks like Jamaica #1 shoes. No.
Yeah, because guess what? Andrew come highlight it.
Cartel was
Come put in
first.
a green Clarks and say, yo, Clarks 1 foot. See?
And that's the
guess
Prime
what?
Minister.
Yeah. You see, even the jump on something and say, yo, no poorness, no separation. Country that better segregation.
True.
And everything would end run good, but them not different. They don't tell you, say, a place you raise family and do business, but at the end of the day, you can't raise no family and you can't do no business. Because they have extortion around the country.
Yeah.
Extortion, man, I take everything, every people that are running coming.
Alright.
You want extortion and now.
Yes, true. I make you promote it. Voila, YouTube with the fan. So I make you promote your thing. Yes.
And I send them for work to disturb people. Because certain things there hurt where you can't live comfortably.
Yes, true. Alright, just fireman, I like the energy. What the eye name?
Well, Clifford and then
Clifford.
Bima.
Wow, Bima. Yeah, big name, man. Yes, and 2 foot Bima.
Yeah, when I use no gas, no leather interior,
That's energy.
nobody can sit down and fart and put up in the original one.
Original one.
Yeah.
Step-ins.
Yeah, step-ins.
Straight step-ins. The eye name Kino. You know,
Kino.
my YouTube channel name Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
You know, Kino
Well, alright.
Life in Jamaica.
Tune into it, you know.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes I put here one little space where you can explain certain things so people can see it and know it and know. So when
Of
they
course.
identify the truth and the facts.
Yes. True. Which is righteous, you know. Big up yourself and thank
Yeah,
the
man,
wisdom is great.
More life,
You know. And I tell me I said they need to change the X and put ticket.
Yeah, man, tell them let them get that straight in their head.
Yeah, man, get it straight.
Big and public out there.
Of course.
When Andrew see that young start peeping and for somebody did have sense all the while.
Hey, I
And
never
know.
see it. Never see it,
Yeah,
but
man.
now him know. Alright, you okay?
Yeah, man.
The man, stay. Alright guys, so this is the mall. Let's go inside the pavilion. So one of them have the you have the Palmer's cocoa butter?
Yeah, down there.
No, the jar.
Yeah,
Where is it?
down there.
I was seeing doubles. Yes, this is it. This is it. Right here. This is it.
You want the soap as well? You want the soap? Or just that?
Just that. You use this?
Used to.
Used to? Why you stop?
Because I used set up the
Where is that? This?
this one.
Is it better?
To me,
is a card. So you can see. Like, see the guitar we have now. Tell them where to find them.
Alright, so we are in Pavilion on the ground floor, right beside the Scotia machine. The store is called Beautified. You can get skin products, facial products, hair products, jewelry. Yeah, so come on down.
So come on down, you're gonna get. So once you come in and say, "Oh, I saw you on Kino Life in Jamaica," you get percentage off, right?
Stop it.
Yeah,
Bye,
very
bye.
nice. Alright, then, so take care. I'm literally going to head to see, you know, my adopted daughter, Cranberry. You know, I'm going to head up Marma River. You know, so there's a few things I'm going to get done today. I'm going to head up Marma River and then also give a donation to them as well too. But first, I'll stop here at Ibo Spice because I know it's midday. I'm going to grab myself something to eat and then now I'm going to head on up to Marma River. The Ibo Spice here is located at 131 Orange Street. You know, downtown. So you know what, I cannot stop promoting Ibo Spice of the healthy food that he got right here. You know, cannot. Artist, everything good? So they're ready to give them something? Ibo, and the big artist, you know. Yeah. I go artist. Come make you know how I go on. Come make you know how I go on, man.
Wait, King man, everything go man. One River Nile, King and Orthodox, and everything go man. Total. And I saw them a pray with dove. And they made full of evil dove. Ash Babal, shoot the Pope and properly, you know, I go. Quaking, you know. This girl of mine, so rare and kind, and take care sunshine. When you see me, yeah, she a give me righteousness, me a she in her. When you see me, yeah, she a give me love. Pretty brownie,
She me love.
Yeah.
Oh. See, so tell the artist name again.
King and Orthodox, you know, KINGUNORTHO. See,
Yeah.
White King.
So if they want to reach out and go support your music and find which
See
platform.
one King and Orthodox, Instagram, TikTok, every platform, and just one King and Orthodox.
Yeah. So you have any song out on YouTube where they
Yeah,
can
man,
check
my
out?
dear will come. Money, only it more.
Yeah.
Wait.
So
Them
that-
up on iTunes, too, you know.
iTunes as well.
Every platform you can think of.
So it says only 99 cents to go and check it, go and support him on iTunes. Only 99 cents. You know, you can go and buy a song, support him. You know. So where they say the day I come? So
My dear will come.
My day will
Connect
come.
like Wi-Fi. Pray.
Let me a piece of that one and my day will come because we are
See
not
the
wait.
struggle where you face in a life. See the fire inside of your light. No care who a criticize and chastise. It no matter to I. Me nah lose, me a forget mine. My resolve a no take 9. So you can't see me take life. No brains nah jump through no head side. I know my day will come. My struggles will be done. I know I feel no gun quaking, feed that no fire burn. War weapon gun point, done life. Yeah, before the sunrise, come like true we got eloquent speaker with bun eye. Ash.
The artist bad. Sound good, you know, good vibes. Right, Ibo? A long time. Yeah? Come through, so we say it was an Magnum as well too?
Yeah man,
Which year?
2016, you know.
2016.
Yeah man.
Yeah, talented man. You see a stone, you beat a stone right here.
Yeah man.
Which stone is that one?
The one you know of your word sound, throat chakra.
Oh, throat chakra, word sound. See, my the lyrics and my flow,
Yeah,
melody. Smooth.
Keep it balanced.
Keep it balanced. You know, man.
Vice just tune up.
Yeah, but like high vice, you know, a good vice, man. As I said, never give up, never stop.
And this is one of the new track where I go forward soon. You understand? Deep na them tell them want come kill you. Greet them laugh change like can be you. Read and a calf from them want come give you. But he aim to the stars so a life can do no. Don't bad mind when a youth rise, you know. You don't know him out if him have plans for you. Give them what them want and them still fight me down. The journey go on, you know what continue.
Ash, guys. So, very talented, you know, he was at Magnum as well. So don't give him a support, man. Anything but help him grow, you know, vibe so good. Very talented, you know, very talented, you know. So how far you reach from the Magnum? Which one you reach? Top 10. Who was there? Scatter?
Yeah.
Scatter, what go on, Scatter? You know, it's a true talent, Scatter. If you make the talent fly past it. When him there, you know, you go and find is at Ivo Spice. So you can come check him here at Ivo Spice. You know, you can't have the talent running for like that, man. Talented youth, man. Far y'all go, you go. It's time, you know. So you know the thing goes, the guys up there at Ivo Spice and get the healthy food where everything is right. You know, everything is nice. So I'm getting a food. So this is the food price, $1,500 here at Ivo Spice. You know, Seamas punch and everything. So you know the thing goes, smoothie, $700. So quake singer, well, you know the quake is cake, so you know it goes already. So natural, it's all natural here, all natural. The eater is full. That's it. The pumpkin seed when you need it. Irish.
I learned some Irish today, you know.
Irish.
Some Irish, not big one.
Irish?
Yeah, man.
So you bring your play for the Irish.
Yeah?
Today.
Listen.
They did a forward first thing. Today.
Today. Yeah, burger today. Here. I told me very full. Aye. Respect, sir. Respect.
Sure. Yes. Alright, so this is how I'm starting my lunch for today. You know, everyone have a choice. So this is my choice of healthy eating, you know.
Good choice, man.
Good choice, right? See, good choice. It's my choice of healthy eating. Every man have a right to decide his own destiny. So this is mine. So
Right
please
choice, man.
don't
Like
play.
a nutrients.
Right. So don't play a hate. Don't eat the health. Rate the wealth.
Rate the wealth. A man no eat your belly full enough.
No.
If you get nutrient from the food, we keep your body going, right?
True.
Exactly.
Yeah. When you eat for your belly food, we eat right for nutrients to go to the body.
You know, my belly full, not because of.
Yeah.
Belly full, you feel good, you understand?
And so.
The nutrient from the food, you understand?
That
keeps
is
the
it.
body going. Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So yeah,
Real
and a belly full, and the healthy food.
Yeah, no, yeah.
That's what we're talking, healthy food. Yeah. Word so this is it for me, you know. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this and take on the road with a lot of energy inside of me. Respect, Papa. You know everything goes. Respect. Who was I sit down at the portal. Yeah. True. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sit down. But it was raining as you can see. Wow, whole place damp up. Run a front better, yes. Just damp up. But the chair them are wet still. It's a dry chair there. Quick and fast, you know. I'm gone. He said no. I bought a long time, I get no Seamas, you know. I go on. Alright, herbal aid.
No, I saw fine and simple. Go over.
So I just finished my lunch, you know, so I'm going to head up to Marmy River now to see cranberry. I'm going to head up Marmy River now. So. Tingo man.
Yeah man, proper enough.
Big up yourself man, anyway Tingo. Oh yeah, it's cricket. How you play?
TNT and waiting.
Trinidad.
Waiting there player now.
Okay.
Two man them a player now. Some woman them a play.
Okay. So good though. Cool man. I'll check Canberra. Respect every time man. Respect every time. Cause you don't give you support already, cause you always watch it, you don't know. Yeah man. Yeah man, give thanks.
And I some I deal with everything, you know, from the upstairs in general.
Further up so?
Yeah man, I carry me through enough nights where I do my work man.
Yeah.
And me I watch PR, I use them quiz and shop.
Oh.
PR really.
Yeah.
I tell man and so flow and them people there.
Yeah, long time.
Long time.
Cool man.
To them, brother.
Long time. I respect for that every time man. Yeah.
Real.
But you know, it's just the thoughts that count. You know, the prayer. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you have love in your heart, see me man, all is well man. Yeah. Yeah man, blessed love every time my brother man, you know? Alright. Cool man. One love. Yeah, cool no? Feather.
Yeah man, river.
Yeah man. Are you the Lord Redder?
Yes I am.
Aye. Man, that's my general. Cool now, one love. Alright guys, well, so I just reached here up by Marmy River. You know, I'm here. It looked like it was raining well, it was raining up here as well too. As you can see, the place is wet. It was raining, so we've been getting a lot of rain here in Jamaica. You know, so I'm gonna see if they're home, you know, because I got a donation from them, you know, because the mom called me You know, well, she sent me a voice note, you know, where she was really in tears, you know, because of situation that she's going through, and she cannot find it really for them to go to school, and plus, you know, she just want to stack out her style where she can just try and do something like we used to Cranberry used to sell her stuff them, you know. So it's kind of rough on them up here, you know, because, you know, for most people, you know, it's rough as well. They would just hope so sometimes our help can make a change in their life, you know, because when the help is needed, it's really needed. So we always try to give a strength, no matter how small it is, you know. So when she did spoke to me, I spoke to one of our excellent family as well too, who always reach out, and she asked me, Kino, who shall I help now, you know, because she always want to give back to help somebody, and I never get to her straight away because the Lord never lead me to someone yet till one time I got that voice note, you know. So, and they send a support, you know, to help out, and send a donation. It's coming from CMBS Solution Group, you know, from Florida. CMBS, you know, a solution group from Florida, send a donation for them to stack out their stall, you know, and then buy food and see what they can get done, you know. So at least we try to give back something, you know. So we have to give thanks and big up the CMBS, you know, Solution Group in Florida. You know, we thank you so much for the support. So I'm gonna head on up there now. You know, up here is cool because it was raining, you know, it was raining. So we thank you so much, CMBS, you know, Solution Group, you know, for giving a helping hand, because, you know, the help is always needed when someone else cannot try to help themselves. So always good to give an assistance, you know. So, you know, in life it's better to give. You know, it's better to give sometime in life than to receive, you know. So wow, up here feel cool. I'm not even lying, it's so cool because the rain. So cool. Only if you could feel what I'm feeling right now. You can hear the river. Cranberry.
Away you there? Away you there?
We there? Where?
Huh?
Sit down. What's up?
Good.
Top of the night, no man, so talking.
You know, cleaning here for guy work.
No.
And guy work, go work. My lunch money.
Hey! Here's a guy go work your lunch money. Hey, go upstairs. You see big people talking.
Oh, Sunday, I got a party.
You got a party Sunday?
Yeah.
Who for a party?
My cousin.
Where's your mommy?
Up there.
She up there?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Go on to win. Some say, "Keep up, come." And she say, "You send a voice now, I never
You never get it.
I came my mother asked if I can help her buy some food to sell. So she asked she really want to see you. So she asked me to tell her to come out so. See her there, you can eat.
Alright, man, come up then. Oh, go on. Yeah. Turn on the music. Yeah, turn the music a little bit. Go on up a little bit. Go on up. Go on. Oh, me da walk up on the flat part.
You don't want to come up front?
Yeah. What are you? Sit down. Stay where you at. You hear me say? Them now, but man, them sense I'm the good one. Ooh.
Okay. As I say, do you really want some help? Cause down there, so they normally have a shop at the river. But the girls go to school, I have to end up by some uniform and bags and book. I mean, I tell you, it's really slow. If them father, he might have a sugar, and him they get a cut and foot. So him have to end up go doctor every minute for just it. And it's taking time to come on. If over them cross the river now and the river come down and it end up tear up back. So it have swim down from her, and the girls ain't been here for about 1 month. So in a 1 month them go to school about 2 times. Because we have to find money for cook and buy some food. So I was asking for donation, even for those, even if you can buy the things them and don't give me the money, buy the things them and bring, because I really need it for the girls them.
Yeah. I understand, because we get the voice notes, so I kind of hear where they go on, you know?
Yeah.
So I kind of understand. So it's kind of tough because...
Yeah. And normally, when him foot never did cut him, normally camp and all kind of hustling. But true now, him have to take time to him do. And normally when him come in, him foot swell up on him. And he not really complain to him family, you know, but them will help sometimes. But them not really understand what's going on.
Okay. Yeah. It's tough. Really tough.
You know what I did? Mommy, that one,
That shock you?
yeah.
That shock. Be careful. Yeah, so I kind of understand. So guys, as I was saying, you know, she always have a stall, you know, down by the river there doing all the hustle, which she always get the end meat. You know, you always a cranberry or walk on with your snacks as well. Also, you know, so because of the situation that they're going through, you know, it's kind of rough, you know, because you can see the situation and where they're living, you know, it's not really, you know, appealing to help out themselves because they have to try them best, you know. And how many girls you have?
4 girls.
Four girls. Don't make sure do that on the camera.
You can't do that. Go and put some ice cream.
That is come.
Go and put some ice cream.
What, my look on? Nice ice cream. Them ear get back red now.
Yeah.
The dye wash out.
Mommy.
Look at your ear. Red.
I mean, do I?
You catch it up?
And catch up the baby one too.
And catch the baby one.
Ready now, she afraid. I'm not going it.
What on it? Yeah, red.
Mommy.
So because of that now, they might really get for go to school, don't they?
Them after they want, sometimes them cry to me, so they want to go to school, but that would have more better for me. Because they're willing to stay down there. Nobody like that. But they're willing to stay down there. I was talking to them father today also.
Wait.
I tell him say, me da get some cement because we can get board, you know. Can make something neat. To put down there, them could have stayed down there.
Like make what? Where I make?
Me da make a little shop down there itself.
Down on the by the river?
That if the rain fall, we would still down there. Because people normally come down here in the night. All in the river come down, people normally there. Right now the people in the river, they have to go way up on the top road to buy some snacks. If women are there.
Okay. So usually if you have the snack, them always come and buy, you know? So that's good. Yeah, then so, as I say, when I got the voice note, you know, I reach out to someone. Because they already asked me, if there's anybody there they can help, you know, so you would come to mind, you know, but I was waiting for you to, like, for that to happen at the right time.
Yes.
You know, so when you send me the voice note, I contact her back and let her know that, alright, well, I like if you can give you the assistance. But I sent her the voice note that you sent me.
Alright.
I was worried too, and she said, yes, man. She said, I know an old man, it's Cranberry, man. She said, Cranberry is my friend, man, you know. The Cranberry have big friend out there. Cranberry, I eat ice cream and you don't give me any. I don't understand that. I'm a general. Eh? I eat ice cream and you give me any. Man, so she sent me a donation we can help out. That's what I say.
Yeah.
I trust you to go and buy the stuff them and stock out and do what you can do, you know, to help out the situation.
Yeah.
You know, because you know the girls don't want to go to school as well too.
Yeah.
You know, so I know Cranberry want to go to school. What's your name?
Toko.
Hmm?
What we call her Toko.
Toko.
NC.
NC?
And Cranberry.
So
I'm
yeah.
a stage name, you know, say my name them.
Nana father.
You say you know some that have girls. They go turn a singer, so my name them stage name them.
Oh, so you have Toko, you have NC, Cranberry, and Champagne. So she a Champagne.
So black is one of them near water. She near with her.
What her names gonna get?
Still me a help my mother friend.
Yeah, alright. So never donation, you know. The CMBS, you know, group from Florida. Let me get the name correct.
Your phone pretty.
So CMBS Solution Group, you know, from Florida, you know, send a donation. You know, so CMBS. So let me big them up. So guys, I just want to thank CMBS, you know, Solution Group to sending this donation to help out and Cranberry family, you know, for them to get some stuff for her to stock out the stall and also get food and, you know, for the kids to go to school, you know. So you know, say where the help is always needed, we always try to give a helping hand no matter how small it is, you know. I would thank for this help, you know, from CMBS Solution Group, you know, we thank you so much. So this is 28,000, you know. This is 28,000 from CMBS, you know, Solution Group. So your face. Yeah, so counted says 28,000.
Thank you.
CMBS Solution Group from Florida.
Thank you so much. And you will come back. Kimona come back here because he say I'ma do it. And I thank you guys for everything that you have done. And God will bless you and put more even in your pockets. And me I tell you, I did do it a long time, but you know, just time and faith.
Yeah. Come on, so yes, Cranberry. So thank you, CMBS.
Tell him thanks.
CMBS Solution Group. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're acting shy now.
And may God bless you.
Okay. Yeah, man, so we give thanks and we appreciate it so much, guys. You know, we thank you for the support. You know, so at least we can put a smile on our family face to help out our situation. Right, Cran?
So when I come back.
And I come back soon and very soon. Soon and very soon. Why your skin a scratch yourself? What go? What you say?
Ice cream you want to buy again.
A pure ice cream you eat. You
love ice cream?
You tell you want ice cream. So you go buy ice cream again. Love ice cream. See your sister.
Me say me want ice cream and then say them not one.
So Champagne and eat the whole of the ice cream there. Toko loco. Toko face. Toko, watch your hand. Whole of your hand.
And I say, who that come in and me see shoes and I say, who that? And I just at them mother say.
I'm keen on that. Daddy.
And I say, most of your shoes alone look so.
Yeah.
And I say, nobody shoes look so like you.
Look like one bulldozer.
And I just at them mother say, some snacks who want to sell and she say, if she get money today, she just buy them tomorrow. So me I say, mommy, if he come, we can just buy some snack for sell.
But no, so, no come, woman there.
So she go buy the snack there now so you can go and sell, right?
And I go give my cousin a gift. And Sunday we are going to party.
Okay.
One birthday party down the road. One little baby.
Okay.
And she said, if you not come, she come up here for we.
Yeah. Then so make sure you go then, right?
Yes.
So high five. Later, yeah, mommy.
Take
care yourself.
Alright, safe journey.
Yeah.
I'm somebody.
And make sure have a safe
If you know where them come from, if you would have watching program, you don't know.
Yeah, say mama know I go and talk loco. Big up. Alright then. Take care, yeah?
Alright.
Loco.
Make sure you have a safe journey when you go home.
Yeah man, I will. Watch that hill go down now. Sideways. I saw them say when you walk a country, you go sideways. Yeah, I chat him about the foot. So I treat that the sugar kind of broke out now.
Yeah, that's man.
Yeah. So you can't walk up and down peninsula now.
Boy, most time I celebrate, most time I say that I beat me, so I try to fight it.
Yeah.
Man, once I see me start walk, man.
Yeah. I can see it swell up, man. Can't get worse than that. You know. So them there pass through, give them a little blessing we can help out a situation, yeah? So go and we'll forget. And your blood that there, you know. So you know, so you have to go purge.
Yeah.
You have to go purge, you know, some bitters. But you're at the right place, you're not drinking the right bush, man.
Just that, man.
Yeah, no, sir. So you know, so you have to leave the sugar alone, right?
Yeah.
No sweet sugar, no jar for the bitters. Yeah.
I'm small still, you know.
Okay.
That man, I'm small, man. I'm small.
That's a good thing, you know. The right man, if you link a snagger puss, you know. No snagger puss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Snagger puss could have something for them things as well. But when we see him, I go make him know. And if he can give me something, I can come give you feet, yeah? Yeah, man, big up. Shall I escort me? Yeah, follow me out. Alright. Miss Cranberry. Right there. Go up and me a countryman too, you know. A countryman too, you know, Cranberry. So I don't know the country life. Where you want? You want to buy food? Yeah. Okay. And I give you supposed to have something you can give for buy food. Yeah, how she jump it so? Yeah. She a real ninja. No sir. She a ninja. She a ninja. Yeah, I give you. Toka loco, jump the river like a ninja.
I'm jumping on Toka, me down a river ball, here Toka, mommy. My big sister dead.
So you never jump the river?
I never do it again. I take my call the doctor and doctor then say, the man is allergic to his phone and she can't jump. But I told when me and me said, she's on and me and go no water.
A Toko can jump, man. Every time I come, I say Toko jump.
No.
Guys, I say every time when I come here, I see this little one, we name Toko Loco. When I see she jump the river, my eyes frightened because the way how she jump it, and the next little one as well too, like they're different, like they're yeah.
Also on that?
Every day. Yes, every day.
Let's get reach home, you can't call me, you know. If you reach home and call me, nah, to call him, man. So why I'm going to wait till you call me. Thank you, Kimo.
So that can buy food, right?
Yeah.
Oh, buy food for you and your sisters.
She has to why I never buy it down there. Yeah, why you don't drop me down there, me swear.
Oh, don't you want to buy it? Tell you what, come up back. Oh. Alright. Yes, guys, so we give thanks to CMBS Solution Group. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for the donation. Yeah, for helping out the family, you know. So at least they can buy some stocks now and stock out, you know, the style and just have some things to sell. Right? Alright, come and chop it down there. So guys, you know I'm going to head back in the city. Garden.
Come sit down.
Just sit down right there. Let's just sit down, let's stay, man. Look at right next side. Alright guys, so I'm going to head back in.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.